Okay, so we're gonna talk about Miley Cyrus today and like why she cut her hair. No one really knows why, and I'm kind of wondering why. So if you know why she cut her hair, you should like comment below.
Looks better long.
Yeah, it really does. I love her hair long, but she looks like a tranny. No offense, I love her and all, but really, no, don't do that. It's ugly. What do you think about her hair?
I think it looks really weird. And it's like bleach blonde now.
I know. It's still not her color.
She's a brown brunette.
Sure. Yeah, we're still numb.
She's just starting to hurt again.
Yeah. Well, you know why she cut her hair? Comment. Because we have no lives. Alright, have a nice night.